If your photos are coming out blurry and you don't know why, this video will fix it today. I am going to show you exactly what's causing that and give you a very simple rule of thumb on how to fix it today. Here's what's happening. Every time you take a photo, the shutter opens and closes. How long it's open? Well, that is called shutter speed. Open, close. That is shutter speed. Too slow of a shutter speed and anything in the frame that moves will be motion blur. Even handshake while you're holding the camera will introduce blur if the shutter speed is too slow. Here's the answer that I promised earlier. The rule of thumb is your shutter speed should be at least twice of your focal length. If your focal length is 50 millimeters, your shutter speed should be at least 1/100th of a second. If you are shooting a longer lens, say 200 millimeters, your minimum shutter speed should be 1/400. And that fixes handshakes and will remove blur from that action. But here's the thing. What if your subject is moving? A walking person, you need about 1/250th of a second. A child running, you need 1/500th of a second. A soccer game, someone running really fast, you might want 1/1000th of a second. If you're doing bird photography for birds in flight, you'll probably need at least 1/2000th of a second. Very simple. Faster action, faster shutter speed. All right, let's go out in the field. I'm going to go in my backyard, get my camera. Let's go. So here's how I attract birds to my backyard. I have a nice bird bath. Try to keep it as clean as possible. It's got fresh water in it. Got a full bird feeder up here. So we're shooting in what's called shutter priority. And put my dial to TV for Canon. Look at my ISO. It is on automatic. And aperture will be automatic because we are in shutter priority. And just gotta wait for some cardinals or woodpeckers, nuthatches to show up. There are other methods to getting sharp photos. One of the methods is shutter speed, and that's what we're focusing on today. Sorry for the pun, but yeah, let's just work on shutter speed today. Some of the things that help me practice is I do put out bird feed, and I've got a bird bath. Got woodpecker food over there. I can hear the red belly woodpecker singing to me, and a cardinal. And we got nuthatches. I've got catbirds. Got starlings. Haven't seen any of those. I don't really care for those, but we've got those here too. So yeah, let's do shutter priority, and let's check out a couple of photos from this shoot.